Hi, I'm Sal Silvester from 512 Solutions Consulting Group. I want to wish you a happy holiday season. We've been through a lot in 2020, so much suffering around the globe, so many very difficult experiences. Many of us have found ourselves working from home, taking care of kids, homeschooling kids, maybe taking care of elderly parents or loved ones. We've been through an extremely divisive political environment. And at least here in Boulder, Colorado, I know there are parts of the country too, there have been a number of climatic events that have impacted our lives. Folks, I think it's time for a reset. And that's why I can't think of a better time for us to bring back our goal setting workshop. This is a workshop that I used to run every year at the beginning of the year to help people start their year with intention and purpose. And during this workshop, it's a 90-minute workshop, we're going to be covering 5 things. Number 1, you'll determine your starting point. Where are you today? Number 2, you'll define your guiding principles. What are the values and the principles that will guide your decisions in 2021? Number 3, you'll embrace a bold and audacious attitude so you can take on anything as the year moves forward. Number 4, you'll establish your goals. You get clarity and focus. And number 5, you'll create your action plan. You'll make that vision and those goals a reality. The session comes with our ultimate goal setting guide. This is a 39-page guide that I created years ago, and we've made improvements to it every year since. And I'll be personally facilitating the session on January 8th from 12 o'clock to 1:30 Mountain Time. The session is completely free. It's my small way of making a contribution to your 2021. You can register at 512solutions.com. Go out to our Future of Leadership blog and you'll see registration there. Again, January 8th from 12 o'clock to 1:30 Mountain Time. It's completely free and you can register at 512solutions.com. So what do you say? Will you join me on January 8th? Let's start our year with intention and with purpose. Let's be the architects of our 2021. I hope to see you then.